Okay.
Okay, so see, now
Yes.
while demo class is available in the same package or different package. The while is
While is in different.
okay, that's why I'm not able to. Even if you declare that variable as a without access specifier, that variable you can access in some other class, but that class also should be in the same package.
1 second. Okay, so if it is public, then we can access it on any package.
Yeah, some other package also.
Okay, but if it is no private, no public, then we can access it in same package, but not in different package.
Yes, exactly, exactly.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, okay.
so you tried some programs, that's why you are able to ask some questions. Even though when I'm explaining, you are able to understand. Okay, am I clear or any doubt?
I think, yeah, it is clear.
Okay. Next one, do you have those numbers? The mama, then
Oh yeah, they are not here.
not here.
Oh, it's about 20 minutes.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. So that is the last class. We discussed something about the student class, which contains what is the private,
Yes,
what is the public, what is the without private and public. Okay. Next in
yes.
today, we are going to very important concept, that is what constructor. Okay. Before going to the constructor, today I am going to explain something about the function overloading. New class.
Function overloading.
Simply here I'm saying polymorphism. So
Okay.
first one, what I'm going to do here, new class. I'm taking one class. So here what I want to do, I'm going to create one name. ఏమొద్దండి దేనికి దేనికి arithmetic बंद करो अजय अजय दरवाजा बंद करो. Okay, arithmetic. Okay, arithmetic is
Yes.
one class. Arithmetic is a one class. I created just arithmetic class. See, now what I'm going to do here, public public.
Also, you didn't put private static or public static void.
No. Why? Because when I put the main method, when I run that method, program execution starts from main method too. But here I want to create one
Okay.
class. The same class I want to use in some other classes. See, if you observe the
Okay.
student class doesn't have the main method. Okay, so if you want to run the student class, I have to create the object for student, and I can access, but that object where I have to create in some other class, that class should contain the main method.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
first one, see sum here, system dot out dot println sum method. Yes, public void sum of integer x comma integer y sum to int plus x plus y. Control C.
Okay. You
Sum
are taking two arguments
double
and
z to int and double x plus y plus z double.
sum to int and one double. Okay.
Next one, sum double x comma double z sum to double.
Okay. X and Z.
My
Okay.
That's my wish. Whatever variable I want to. Yeah, variable as user defined
Okay.
na.
Okay.
sum float x comma float z sum to
Float x and float
float.
z. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now here what is my method name?
How did you align this, like the
Control
spacing
A.
and everything?
Control A means select all. Control
Uh,
Shift F means just for format.
control A, select all, and then
Control plus Shift plus EC.
oh, control plus. Okay.
Control A, Control Shift plus F.
It
The
it looks better. It looks better this way.
yes formatting shortcut equals to Control plus A. This is for select all. After that
Yes, select.
Control plus Shift plus F.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. What is my method name here? Sum. Here the method name is sum. Here method name is sum. Here method name is sum. Here method name is sum. Function name
Yep.
is same, but the every time is the parameters, number of parameters or type of parameters is different. That is what function overloading.
Okay. So by parameter, you mean in arguments, there are different data types.
Yeah, 1 minute. Once listen. Function overloading. What is the mean by
Okay.
function overloading? Functional. This is also called as functional method overloading. Function name is same, but number of parameters or type of parameters are
Uh-huh.
different. Number of parameters,
Okay.
type of parameters are different. So here see this is the function name sum. It's not taking any parameters, but here function name is sum.
Any yes.
Okay, it taking
Yep.
oh, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, sum int x comma int y. Here method is not taking any parameters, but it's method taking two parameters of integer type. Here method taking two parameters of double type. Here method taking two parameters
Yes.
of float type. Here method taking two
Uh-huh.
integer and one double parameters. So
Okay.
here everywhere function name is same, but the number of parameters
Yep.
or type of parameters are different. That is what
Okay.
function overloading. This is also called as polymorphism.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
So in a
simply
way, then
1 minute, 1 minute. Let me
okay.
finish.
Sorry.
Let me
Yeah.
finish. So
Sure. Sure. Sure.
polymorphism means one thing it can performs many forms. One thing it can performs
Uh-huh.
many things. Suppose, for example, now you are a student, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, now you are a student. When you are in class, you behave like a student. When you are with friends, you behave like a normal
Friend.
casually, but when you are with parents you behave like your behavior is somewhat different. When your girlfriend
Okay.
your behavior is some different, right? The same
Yeah.
person
Mm-hmm.
depends on the situation you are behaving different. So that is what polymorphism, the name itself is saying poly is nothing but many,
Yes.
morphism is
Multiple. Yes.
behaviors.
True.
Yeah, so that is what
Forms. Yes.
polymorphism means, one thing many forms. So here every function name is
So in a
same.
way,
Let me
yes.
finish the entire thing. Then ask me. Okay.
Yes.
Divesh, you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hi, Mamad.
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay.
good.
Okay. Okay.
How are you, sir?
So yeah, I'm great. Thank you. Okay. Arithmetic. So now what I want to do here, I create one class already, polymorphism. Now in this arithmetic, some object equals to new arithmetic. Just here I create the object for
Mm.
arithmetic class. Now AR dot sum of AR dot
Mm.
sum of 22.3 comma 33.45 something.
Mm. Mm.
AR dot sum of 2 and 3. AR dot
Yep.
I'm getting some noise. Okay. AR dot sum of 2, 44, 33.45.
Okay.
AR dot sum of 22.34F, comma 45.456F. So, okay.
Okay.
So here what will happen here? See, when I'm calling AR dot sum, control will goes to some method of arithmetic. Control will goes to here. The reason is here I'm not passing any parameters. Here I'm not passing any parameter. Now
Hmm.
second I'm passing the two double values. Now control will goes to, where is the double? Here. This method will be called. Now AR dot sum of 2.2 comma 3. Then control will goes to integer. Where is that?
Hmm.
2 integer. This one will be called. Now AR dot sum of, once again I'm calling here two integers and one double. Now control will goes to
Hmm.
this method. Okay. Next one here I'm
Hmm.
passing two floating numbers. At the same time, once again I want to sum up some values, something, something. That is what. So once again I am passing two parameters, then control will
Hmm.
goes to two parameters sum. Just right click,
Integer.
run as Java application. This is what. See, when I'm calling a float, when I'm calling it a one double and one integer, everything I'm getting. So this is what
Hmm.
function overloading or polymorphism means. One thing it can perform many tasks. Okay, so am I
Hmm.
clear about what is the polymorphism? And in the
Hmm.
polymorphism means this is what 110. So in that example is function overloading. That example is function overloading. Now ask me whatever doubts you have.
Okay. So first, like, what's the difference between double and float?
Mohammed and Divesh, there?
Yeah.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
he's asking some doubts.
Yeah.
Can you tell me why he's asking doubts? Hello?
No.
Means he's ready.
Maybe.
He's reading, that's why he's asking doubts. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. See, so simply he's asking what is the difference between double and float. Generally double means 33 point, this is what the double, but the float means always we should contain CF in Java. But
Okay.
inside the double variable we can store the float values also. But generally if it is a float, explicitly we have to mention the F. So that case always we better to use double only.
Okay. And the order of the arguments is compulsory, right? I mean, if it is double double int, then we cannot put int double double.
No, see, if double int, where you are saying here,
For example, in this, no. For example, here,
polymorphism
public
demo.
void sum. Sorry, in this arithmetic.java
Okay,
and
AR dot
the other class.
sum of, tell me, 22.3
So,
comma
like,
33.4
uh,
comma 33 means two doubles, one integer value.
o-
That type of method is not
okay, yeah.
available inside the arithmetic. That's why it's showing an error.
Okay, so what I meant was, for example, in the class, if the method had int x, float b, float c, and
Yes.
in the main class, while calling the sum
Yeah.
method,
See,
we
always we
put,
have to follow this sequence. Means if
okay,
you
okay,
mention
that's
this
what I want.
sequence,
Okay,
that type of sequence only here you have to pass. Okay, automatically it won't take. Why? Because if it took in
okay,
real time scenario, we have to write thousand, not thousands, tens of methods. That case, you will get, definitely you will get a problem. That's why, however,
yeah,
the method is containing. This is what simply we call as a
okay,
signature. This is what we call as a signature. Okay, so that is what simply
okay,
function overloading. And next one, I'm going to tell something
okay,
about the constructor.
constructor.
constructor. So first one in constructor public. So always if I wants to access any class, if I wants to run any class, that class should contains main method. So now I'm going to give something information about constructor demo. Just I'm going to create one class. The class name I'm giving it employee employee. So your employee generally public void read. Yeah. So read at the same time in read what I will do here string name count. Okay, something name public void show. And so what I want to do here, whatever name here private string name. Okay. So instead of name I will put as a name. That's my wish. Whatever variable system dot out dot println name is plus name. So whatever name I'm passing here, that name I have to assign inside the num. Okay. Now with the variable name I given as a num. Control A, Control Shift F, yes. Come to constructor demo. Employee emp equals to new employee. Now emp dot read the read I'm giving a Aditya and emp dot show. Now whenever run, right click and as why it's not able to run. Public see I'm not able to run as there is no Java application. Why? Because here I missed static. If I put the static, now just save it and run as
Okay.
I got the static Java application. This name is Aditya. Shawan, what is the use of this program?
Okay.
Why you written this one? So this is the normal program. So actually this is what creating an instance. This is what creating a instance. Instance or object or reference all are same. Instance or object.
Okay.
Ahmad, are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, your voice is very bass. Your voice contains. Okay. Read. Okay. Now this is what creating an instance. This is what accessing. Is what access. Now what I will do here. So first I'm showing the printing. Okay, show means control will goes to the show method. Show method what I'm doing, just I'm printing the name. Okay, so let me see. First I am showing. So after that, once again I'm calling after assigning. Right click run a Java application. But initially first what is the value of the name I got?
Oh, because
Null.
nothing is there.
Okay,
Null.
so the string default value is none. So that case what should I do here? What is your class name? Employee. So public same thing employee. Now inside your class I'm assigning something, otherwise not assign somewhat whatever value you wants to assign. Now see run as Java
Okay.
application. So initially, so now let me come to the point.
So it means when nothing is put in the argument. Okay.
No, listen. So constructor, the name itself is saying construct to build something. So constructor, it is a special member function of a class. It is a special member function. It is a special member function of a class,
Sir.
which is
Excuse me, sir.
yeah. Tell me, moment.
Sorry, sir. I want to know something. Hello.
I didn't get you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Mama, tell me.
Sir, yeah, you are working with these four classes, so I just want to know every class it has different function or they are interlinked.
No. It's what I'm doing here. I'm creating one individual class. That class I'm using in some other class. So this one is the previous examples. Now the employee is a normal class. This employee class I'm using inside the constructor demo class. Whenever your class is contains the main method, that class, if you execute this class, then this class is calling the employee class.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So in
Okay.
employee, so constructor, it is a special member function of a class which is used to initialize values, which is used to initialize some default values, initialize default values. It will be called when you are creating object or instance or reference, all are same. It will be called when
Yeah.
you are creating instance. When you are creating instance means when you are saying a new, that case the class contained constructor method will be called. So inside the method we can assign some values, whatever values we want. Okay, so constructor is some special member function of a class which is used to initialize the values. It will be called when you are creating object, means we no need to call, means we no need to call explicitly. Whenever you creating instance, that case only it will call. Okay, but here we have to follow some rules. The first rule is class name and constructor name should be same. So class name and method name should be same. That is what constructor. Okay. Another one is constructor should not return any values. Constructor should not return any values. Okay. Next one, we no need to call. We no need to
Excuse
call.
me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you are writing tools. They are related with the programming, or you are just writing to tell us?
So I'm see very good. So whenever I'm returning this one, that is what comment lines. So this is what single comment line. So what is the use of comment line? This for only for explanation purpose. Only for explanation. That is
Okay.
what single comment line, which is applicable for only one line. So this is what multi comment lines.
Okay.
This is for multiple lines.
Why doing why doing why doing work so we don't need to write this whole thing?
Means suppose when I'm saying something you may not understand. Later when you refer this, you can observe this one. That's why for explanation purpose only I'm writing here. So whatever I'm writing inside the comment lines, my
Okay.
JVM means the JVM won't recognize, won't take this concept. Means JVM won't take whatever I written inside the comment line. This is
Okay.
comment line only for us, just for explanation purpose only. Suppose when you are writing some logic, suppose if you joined in one organization, in organization you are writing one big logic. So that case, for to implement the logic for you, it takes 1 week time. Some other person come and some other person will have to work on the same logic. So that's why that case you may not available in that place. So that case what he will do, he will see that log, sorry, the documentation means whatever you written inside the comment lines, and he can understand something.
Okay.
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 Okay, so this is what constructor, and we no need to call. Next one, constructor can be overloaded, means function overloading means method name is same, number of parameters are different. At the same time constructor overloading is also there. Name, now that name I'm assigning to name. So now see what will happen. So this is what one object, employee, is what another object name employee 2, but that case I'm giving some value. Okay, so that case, what I'm doing here, emp2.show. I did not say emp2.read. Okay, emp2.show. That case, C. Right click, run as Java application. Aditya. Okay, means here the control. This case you are passing one parameter. Now the which constructor will be called? This constructor will be called. So if you are not passing any values, that is what default constructor. If you are passing some value, that is what parameterize constructor. When you are passing some value, that is what parameterize constructor. Okay, so am I clear what is the constructor? Why should we use the constructor? So if you are using the constructor, initially you can assign some default values. At the same time, you no need to call that method explicitly. Even here you can omit the read method also. So it depends. Means how you want, you can implement like that. Okay.
How can we omit the read? You
Suppose
said.
I will comment this. Means I won't read. At the same time, I will read or read also. I will comment this. So here, what is the purpose of
Okay.
read? Just one, it's reading. So here, I want here instead of
Okay.
default constructor, some value and pass, and I will do this. Means here explicitly I no need
One
to call
second.
the read method. Directly I can say show method. So why? Because when you are creating an
And
instance, that case you are assigning some value.
but there's no constructor
No,
when you
no,
are
no,
assigning, right? I mean,
no. Yes, see,
can you show?
employee is
Okay, here string
passing
name.
one,
String name.
yeah,
Okay.
string. Then control will comes to this with the whenever your class name and method name is same, then what is the constructor, and it should not return any
Yes.
value. Should not generally, if you are not returning any value, we have to mention void. But even though we should not mention void also, you should not mention
Okay.
void also. That is what simply constructor. Okay. Next one more important
Okay.
thing
If this
is
employee constructor did not have string name in the argument, then
then
you
that
could
is
not
what
have
default
directly
constructor.
put the name in the. No, no, no. Okay. I meant that in this default constructor, if you had the default constructor but not the other constructor,
Mm-hmm.
then you could not have created a new instance
Mm.
with an argument inside it already.
Yes. Mm.
I mean, that was not valid, right?
No, that's valid. That case, I'm assigning some values, whatever values. Even you can, without suppose, even if you are not writing this constructor also, that case, what it will do, the JVM itself, it will create the
No.
one default constructor for that class.
Okay, so for example, if you comment this constructor, this one also, okay,
Hmm.
and now you
And
go
I
to the,
cannot write. Why? Because that is type of constructor is not available.
okay, and now you uncomment the previous constructor, the original constructor, without the argument. Yes, this one. Okay, and then you go to the other one. Will it accept it?
1 minute. Other one means
Okay. The other class, sorry,
how you
the
are
main
asking.
class constructor.
Uh, Here, if you can say like this,
Okay.
it's possible.
Okay. No. Sorry, hit me. What I meant was uncomment the first constructor.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. No. Okay. And now go to the constructor demo.
Mm-hmm.
This one. Okay. Now it will not accept this SAD one, right?
No,
Because
you
the
did
other
not create
constructor is
it.
not available.
Yes, you did not create it. That's why it
Yes.
won't
Yes. Because
accept.
it was. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So that type of things you have to do practice and you have to ask. Okay, good. Okay. So that is what constructor. Next one more important thing is here. What is my property name? NAM. Here my argument is NAM, but instead of both here, property name is same and argument name is also same. See, the property name is same and argument name is same. Then name equals to name. In this, which one is your class property and which one is your argument? Okay, so that case, here we have to use one keyword called this. So here I'm going to explain one more. This is what keyword, which is refers your class property. When a property name and method name if both are same, sorry, when a property name and argument name if both are same, this gives refers to your class property. This gives refers to your class property, not the argument. Okay, terminology is different. This is what the property, this is what the argument. That is the
And
use
here it
of
will
this.
be
Okay, suppose if you put the
here it
different
will
name,
be
then
name
you don't
is
need to use
this dot
this.
name.
Yes, this dot name is this name, not this name.
Yes, and in the final method, it will be name is this dot name, right? In the final method, last method.
Here,
This dot name, right?
no need, no need. The reason is in this only, in this method only, you are passing a parameter. You don't need to. Even if you did not mention, automatically it will take. Even if you did not mention, automatically it will take. Okay, inside the method when you are passing, then only it will get the reference. Okay, that is what the class. So today I explained something. What the concepts I explained today? Today I explained about
Polymorphism.
polymorphism. Polymorphism. Best example of polymorphism is function overloading. And next one I explained about constructor. At the same time, constructor overloading. Okay, means one single constructor multiples. Next one I explained something about the this keyword also. Explain something about the this keywords also. Okay, next one. Yeah, I think already I given my number 9912326989 and mail ID is we love android1 at gmail.com. And if you have any, suppose if you are not coming to the session, maybe I am not able to available to the session, maximum I will inform through WhatsApp. Okay, or else you directly you can call me. Okay, so next one, in some situations if you want to send, suppose I given some assignment, if you want to send that assignment, just send those assignments to this mail ID. Okay, Sadhan Divyesh, are you following me?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have to send this one. And for today I'm going to give some assignments. Only one program, create complete student class. Create complete student class. Student class means it contains, it has some properties like student name, number, roll number, parents details, even the first semester values, second semester values. Okay, and implement that program using function overloading. Okay, using the function overloading, using the constructor, using the this keyword. Okay, so in a single program just you have to implement all.
Okay.
Okay, guys, am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay, okay guys,
Yes.
enough for
But
today.
how will we send the program? I mean,
Sorry,
which file do we send?
very good, very good.
How do we?
Yeah, so just one assume to
Because there
implement
are
this
so many files.
no, just I don't want all files whatever you are practicing. So just send me two files. See, suppose in the for constructor demo there is a two classes. One is the main classes, another one is the helper classes. Just send me those two classes was enough for me. Okay, suppose
One
this
is the main
constructor
class.
demo,
Okay.
this employee, just right click, copy, and just create one folder and paste those two classes inside the folder and zip it and send it to me. At the same time,
Okay.
tomorrow one more assignment, guys. Keywords and its use in Java. Guys, in Java there are totally 50 keywords. I want the 50 keywords list and those use. Okay, assume at least I want 25 keywords list.
Okay.
25 keywords I
Okay.
will ask. Okay, tomorrow before the session I will ask. Next one, Divesh and Saad, please come to time.
Okay, sir.
Both are saying okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, can we get the recording of this session?
Yeah, I will send you. I will send you. But here, for me to send the recording session, it will take a lot of time. You know about India, right? Internet is very slow
Oh,
here. I
Yeah.
will send you. No, not an issue. I will send you. So today
oh,
the July 2015. Yeah, I will send you the programs and the recording session also. Okay. I will.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Enough for today. Bye for now. Have a nice day.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye
You too.
bye.
Good night.
Bye.